I used to clean swimming pools when I was young.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of swimming pools,
Yeah.
believe it or not, for mob bosses. And I remember sitting there cleaning, 700 swimming pools a week. It got to eventually, and thinking, wow, the human body is exactly like a swimming pool. The human body has a pump and a filter, and it's mostly water. And I'm constantly trying to help these swimming pools that are turning green not to turn green. And if I was to turn off the pump, the pool would turn green. If I was to clog the filter, the pool would turn green. If there were too many leaves in the pool would turn green. And I remember sitting there, again, I did this for like 12 years,
Sure.
700 swimming pools a week during the season. And I remember sitting there thinking, or standing there thinking, wow, if we turn off our pump, our heart, we turn green. If we
Yeah.
don't clean our filters, we turn, right? So like, and then we expect this little body, this little 13-gallon swimming pool, the human body, we expect it to like process burgers and fries and ketchup and coffee and ice cream and like,